Zoom.
No.
వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేసిన వీడియో అవసరమా
వీడియో అవసరం సార్, ఎందుకంటే పీపీటీ చూపిస్తాం కదా సార్. ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ పవర్ పాయింట్ నో, వీడియో ఈస్ కంపల్సరీ సార్. లెట్ దెమ్ మ్యూట్ దేర్ వాయిస్.
ఇక్కడ కూర్చో. చెప్తున్నారే ఇంకా
तुम्हारा आ रहा है? हाँ? आवाज आ रहा? बुक लिया मैथ का?
नहीं आला।
हाँ? नहीं, टेक्स्ट बुक.
Please keep your notebooks and test books ready, please. Notebook compulsory. For any maths class children, better you keep one rough book also with you. Because to do some calculations, some rough book also is to be maintained while class is going on. It's better. నోట్బుక్ లో రాయించండి, పర్లేదు. నోట్బుక్ లో ఎలాగ రాయిస్తారు, కొంతమంది నోట్బుక్స్ కూడా దొరకడం లేదంట మేడం. అది
आवाज आ रहा है? ये भी कल रखे थे, लेसन निकालने के लिए बोल रहे हैं.
Rasya, good morning. Why wearing specs? What? Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning. Okay, you have
Good
very good. You have
Good
wished.
morning, sir.
Very good. You have wished.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Now what you have to do is you have to mute your voices. You have to mute voices. I can also mute, but the thing is, if I ask some question, I have to again unmute by all these things. That's why you mute your voices, please. You respond to me only when a question is asked. Mute, please. Mute.
Mute.
Okay, children. Before the vacation, we are in the chapter long and short. That is the second chapter in the textbook. Long and short is the second chapter in the textbook. And 2 lessons were over. Now it is in the long and short. This is third lesson. We'll continue that lesson. Okay, children. I want to share the screen. Okay, we are here, children. We are here. So where are we? Here are some Indian records and world records for some jumps. A high jump, long jump, like
Yes,
that.
sir.
Actually, we are here. And we have done a question also, and we have answered a question. Let us recall. In these 50 days, you might have forgotten. So it is better always to recall for about 5 minutes. Just listen to me. The first column is about type of sport, whether it is high jump or long jump. The second column is world record. Second column, first row, is world record. JVS, high jump men में. Mike P, long jump men में. Steph Curry, high jump women. Galina C, long jump women. They have won the prizes. Again, in third column shows Indian records. Same in high jump for men, Chandrapal is first. For long jump men, Amritpal is first, like that. The third column is about Indian records. Better you keep it mute, please. And this is about the table beta. And then we have answered a question also. How many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to reach men's world record for high jump? This has been solved before the vacation. There the classes ended by 30th of April. Now we will continue that. Let us see. Just read that and try to answer. I am giving 2 minutes time. How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? Bobby A is the name of the athlete, name of the sportsman. So observe the table and try to answer this question only after 2 minutes. I am giving you 2 minutes time.
How many centimeters?
Yes, like that you read the question first.
Meters. A. Remember that one.
Remember that 1 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter.
Half meter is equal to how much?
9 centimeters.
How this? देखो 2 मीटर करना है ना? 1 मीटर.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
100 minus.
I don't have textbook now.
Who is that? Athao? Who is
I
that?
don't have textbook now.
You need not have textbook now. You can see the table
Yes.
and answer.
Okay.
See the table, calculate and try to answer. If you don't get, don't bother. I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
What did he say?
Sir, 9 centimeters.
9 centimeters. Correct answer, beta. Very good.
Sir, 19 centimeters. 9 centimeters.
You told 19 first? No problem. 9 is correct, beta. Very good.
9 centimeters.
9 centimeters. Very good. Very good. Okay, for those 2 minutes time is over. For those who could not do, how to do is in next page. Please follow that. Beta 1 meter is 100 centimeters. You will accept now? You accept it. 2 meters is 200 centimeters. Let us subtract. What is Bobby A jump? If you want to know Bobby A. Bobby A is name of the Bobby A is name of the sports person. And one thing you have to understand here, listen carefully. Whether it is a long jump or high jump, it is not given, children. But when you read the question properly, let us read it once again. How many centimeters higher? Higher means what do you have to see? You have to see the high jump. Bobby A is a, where is Bobby A? Bobby A belongs to women category. So high jump women, third row you have to see. 1 meter 91 centimeters. So you have to subtract to reach 2 meters. How many centimeters more should Bobby A jump? That is the question. So let us subtract 1 meter 91 centimeters from 2 meters. 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. But here 1 meter 91 centimeters. Partly it is in meters, partly it is in centimeters. So that's why we have done like this: meters part, centimeters part. So here, listen carefully, children. 91 centimeters cannot be subtracted from 0. What do we do generally? We borrow from 2. How much do we borrow? 1 meter. If we borrow 1 meter is 100 centimeters. This becomes 100 centimeters. 100 minus 91 is 9. So Bobby A should jump 9 centimeters more to reach 2 meters. Please note down this in your notebooks. I am giving 5 minutes time. What you have to note down is, first note down question number 2. Listen carefully. Don't note down the table. Table is already with you. Note down question number 2 and then solution. First note down question number 2. Only 2 minutes time. Children, please don't note down the table.
Sir, we have to write down.
Yes, question number 2 you have to write down. Have you noted question number 2? Then we will go to solution. Okay. Now note down this now. This is the solution, answer to that question. We'll do one thing. We'll copy this here so that in the same way everyone can.
Tasu.
So this page you note down, please.
लॉक राधिका क्लास चल रहा है चल
ये नेम तो जो है ना या
तुम जाओगी तो फिर वो भी जाएगी.
Sir, we should try to remember that 1 meter equal 100
Yes,
centimeters.
please. बेटा बेटा यहाँ पर जैसा है वैसा, यहाँ पर जैसा है वैसा नोट डाउन करो बेटा. That's why question and answer both I put it in one page so that it will be easy for you. Shall I enlarge it?
1 meter.
I think now it's clearly visible for you.
1 meter equal to 100. मीटर कितने के बराबर हो जाएगा? ये बताया गया है कि बॉडी जंप 1 मीटर 91 सेंटीमीटर लेकर 3 मीटर इस जगह 3 मीटर पहले.
Hariprasad raised a hand. Why did you raise, beta? Harsha raised.
1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Half meter is equal to
ACT.
Realize and appreciate the parents also, sir. Parents, since they are small children, you are with them. I really appreciate all those parents who are with their wards. Okay, beta. Given time is over. We will go to next question. Now, please mute all. All of you, please mute. Why mute all option is not there here? It should be there, no? Jaina Balia, please mute. Okay, beta. Shall we go to next question? Plus, first of all, you please mute. If I mute, that's different. I will share once again.
We cannot see screen, sir.
Okay, you can see now. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, now answer third question, beta. Galina's jump is nearly.
Sir, can you show me the second question?
Second question over, beta. Again, you can see the same thing in my YouTube channel. Nothing to worry. Time is getting over, no? That's why. Nothing to worry, beta. You can see my YouTube channel. Let us understand third question. Galina's jump. Long jump is nearly. There are three answers given: A, B, and C. Which answer is correct, beta? A or B or C? I am giving you 1 minute time.
E, sir.
Huh?
E, sir. B.
Okay.
B, sir. B, sir. B, sir. B, sir. B, sir. B, sir.
How all can give correct answer? I don't understand. Huh? So your parents are helping. A request to parents, madam and sirs, my dear parents, please help them wherever required. Sirs, Please help them wherever required, sir. When a question is asked, you please don't help them because let them think for a while. Parents, I think you are able to understand me.
Javier, yes, something like that.
I think parents are able to understand. My request to parents is you don't give the answers directly, sir.
Is Gelina? 7 meters 52, 7.5 meters.
My dear parents, good morning once again. Please don't help the children to give the answers, please. Let them think a while, otherwise they cannot improve their logic sense. For maths, only the logic sense is to be improved. So please don't help them. You please give them some time, no problem. They will learn step by step, they will learn itself, no problem. Okay, 7.5 meters is correct, beta. I will explain, listen to me. Galina says 7 meters 52 centimeters. First of all, you have to understand. Let us go to previous page. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Half meter is 50 centimeters. Like that, when you see, it is very close to 50 centimeters. Hence, the answer is 7.5 meters. B is correct, beta. Now, try to answer fourth question. Fourth question is also based on the table only. Shall I read the fourth question? I will read. Please listen first. If Mike P is name of the athlete or sports person, whatever it is. If Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, please try to insist the word longer also. I read it once again. Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 centimeters. 9 meters. Sorry.
45 centimeters, sir.
I see.
5 centimeters.
I don't know answer.
45 centimeters.
I don't know answer.
8 meters, 95 centimeters. 8 meters, 95 centimeters.
8 meters 95 centimeters. 8 meters.
This directly you can answer.
5 centimeters, sir. Sir, 8 meters, 95 centimeters.
Very good.
5 centimeters, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 5 centimeters, sir.
Okay, I don't tell answer now. I will tell answer.
5 centimeters.
My dear children, I will tell the answer only after 1 minute.
5 centimeters, sir.
Really, you are trying very good. Your file should really be appreciated. Beta, don't think whether it is right or wrong.
5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, sir.
Try to answer. I will tell answer.
5 centimeters, sir.
After a half minute, I will tell answer.
Oh, second end ke ruskay ko. Sir, 5 centimeters.
Okay, you mute. Okay, you stop talking, beta. Everyone, stop talking. See, my question, I will read it once again. If Mike P could jump, Mike P 9 meters पहुंचना है तो कितना सेंटीमीटर? मैं बोला हूँ, आप म्यूट में रहिए. Somebody is talking, please.
7.5
Please stop talking, parents.
95 centimeters. 8 meters, 95
Please stop talking, please. Children,
8 centimeters.
please stop talking. बात करना बंद करो. माइक पी कितना सेंटीमीटर और जंप करने से लॉन्गर मतलब लॉन्ग जंप 9 मीटर पहुंचेगा. माइक पी का जंप देखना है. 8 meters 95 centimeters. He is 95 centimeters closer to 100. Hey. Yes, 5 centimeters. You are right, beta. Those who told 5 centimeters are right. Others are wrong. Now, let us go to next one. Try to answer this question. I am giving you 2 minutes
High
time.
jump is very close to
2 minutes time.
2.5 meters.
Whose high jump is
Not
2.5 meters?
I just
half centimeters. నన్ను నాటారు से केरे स्काई आपने नाटाరు सर लिप मूवमेंट करे तो केरो जूट jump is closer might be
Among A, B, C, D only, sorry. Among A, B, C, D only one answer is correct. This is not D. Last one is not E beta, it is
sir A sir A
A.
sir C sir E sir C
Okay.
sir D sir D
Okay.
sir D
I will tell answer after 2 minutes.
sir B sir C C मैडम सर सी
I see.
B B नेगेटिव वेरिएस का को सर सी
Okay. Okay. Okay.
सी सर ये Sir, please explain.
Yes, I'll definitely.
Okay.
Now mute your voices.
Sir, kero tha lip movement dekha.
Please. Now mute your voices, please.
Sir, D.
Please mute your voices. Now the time given is over. I am speaking, so you have to mute your voices. Beta, the question is, I am reading the question. Don't talk. No one should talk.
Whose high jump is very
I am reading. No, why do you read? Whose jump is very close to 2.5 meters. Beta, 2 meters, you know. But half meter is 50 centimeters. Steph K. Let us see Steph K. Where is Steph K? Such 2 meters 9 centimeters. What do you have to do to answer this question? Please don't speak. Don't draw anything on the screen. Please. If you draw, it's not good. I say bad boy or bad girl. So don't draw anything on the screen. Remove that. So Steph K, 2 meters 9 centimeters. Chandrapal, 2 meters 17 centimeters. Xavier, where is Xavier? Yes, 2 meters 45 centimeters. Bobby, 1 meter 91 centimeters. So what do we have to think is 2 meter, half meter. You have to understand, children. Half meter means 50 centimeters. Among 2 meters answers, see, Bobby A cannot be the answer because it is in 1 meter. In 2 meters, there are 3 persons: Xavier, Stefka, and Chandrapal. Which centimeters part? You look it into centimeters part. 52, not 52, 45, 45, 17, and 9. Among them, which is close to 50? Because half meter is 50 centimeters. So Xavier, yes, is the answer. Those who told C is correct answer. Let us go to next one. Read this. The doctor advised Mr. Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. Let us suppose that this is the park. When I am explaining, please don't talk. When a question is given and the answer is
आंसर का ही
asked, if you are asked for the answer, then only you please respond.
The doctor advised Mr. Devi
So
Prasad
this is
to
the
run
round
2
park.
on one.
The Devi Prasad was explained by, advised by doctor to run 2 kilometers every day better. Some parent is talking, please. Some parent is talking, please.
So he has to complete 2 kilometers. 1000.
Parents, please
And 1000.
give them the time to think it over. You don't explain. I am explaining, no. Some parent, please
One
let them
complete
think,
round.
sir. Let them read. Reading habit should be
Taran,
developed.
please mute, please. Taran, please mute. We are getting voice from you, Taran. Keep it mute.
See, a request to the parents, sir. You please don't explain them. You give some time for them. Don't worry. They are small children.
Total.
Still somebody is talking. I don't know who it is.
Rounds.
Actually, it is, mute all option is not being seen here. Otherwise, I would have muted.
ಈ ಫೋನ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ.
ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡ ಸರ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಅವರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. పేరెంట్స్ కి రిక్వెస్ట్ అండి, మీరు పిల్లల్ని కొంచెం ఆలోచించేట్టు చేయండి, అంతేగాని మీరు డైరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కోసం తాపత్రయపడకండి దయచేసి. రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎవరి పేరెంట్. నౌ చిల్డ్రన్ ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ దిస్. టైమ్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ ఓవర్, దట్స్ వై. స్టిల్ ఓన్లీ 7 minutes టైమ్ ఈస్ దేర్. ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ దిస్. I read it. Listen. The doctor advised Mr. Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. Why do people run or walk or jog? Just for them to get fit. For their health, they run or walk or jog, children. Here the length of the park is 400 meters beta. That means if you make one round, it is equal to 400 meters. But the question is, how many rounds Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers beta? The length of the park is given in meters.
5 rounds, sir.
5 rounds of, don't give answer now. The length of the park is given in meters. 2 kilometer complete, 2 kilometers complete करना है तो कितने rounds मारना है? I am giving you only 2 minutes time. After 2 minutes time only, you please respond. After 2 minutes only, you please respond. Try to answer this question. Parents also, I request the parents to give some time to them. You please immediately don't help them.
Sir, 400 meters.
How many rounds should Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? Okay. Time is up. We will
400 meters.
We will go to next slide. See here. Listen carefully, beta. 2 kilometers, how many meters? 2000 meters. One round is equal to, one round is how many meters? 2 rounds कितना होता?
1000 meters.
2 rounds कितना होता?
2000 kilometers.
800 meters. Yes, very good. 3 rounds कितना होता? Add करो.
1200.
Very good. 1200
Well,
meters. बेटा meters रखना भूलना नहीं.
4 rounds.
देखो 1 round 400 meters. 2 rounds 800 meters.
Well, in the month, take off in the after 16 meters.
Yes, वैसा सोचना. You are right.
1600 sir.
It's a
Very good. 1600 meters.
meters.
अभी 2000 meters पहुंच गए क्या हम? नहीं पहुंचे ना? 2000 meters पहुंचना है तो और एक राउंड लेना है ना? So we have to write 5 rounds.
Rounds is equal to 16 plus 4
is equal to
2000 meters. 2000. Sir, 2000 meters.
now has he completed
2000 meters.
has he completed 2000 meters
2000 meters.
has he completed now 2 kilometers बनाना बोले तो कितना rounds मारना है so कितना rounds मारने से 2000 पहुंच गए
5 rounds, sir.
yes very good beta you are all
5
good
rounds,
you are all very good children
5 rounds.
answer is
5 rounds.
5 rounds this is the answer okay beta so beta time is only 1 minute 2 minutes 42 seconds what you have to do is I will upload this listen carefully I will upload this lesson to YouTube channel I will upload this video in my YouTube channel please note down every page in your notebook parents please let them listen to what I am saying 5 rounds I have done you need not tell now again please all of you please mute so children the meeting is getting ended so you can note down every page by looking into my YouTube channel so the time is getting over note down every page visit my YouTube channel this video will be uploaded in my YouTube channel please visit and then note down every page understood hope everyone
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay bye
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
bye
Bye, sir.
Dolo bye
Bye, sir.
No voice. Bye, sir.
Dolo how are you
sir.
bye
Bye, sir.
I'm fine, sir.
Bye, sir.
very good beta
Bye, sir.
bye ma
Ini napen kali ko napen hamar sir yang.
D1 la